Hello friends, welcome to Explore YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we'll be going to learn about how to make infographic PPT presentation in PowerPoint itself. So here we'll be going to learn about three steps: how to design this infographic and the layout depending on the different and specific slide, as well as the presentation to display how it should be displayed to the viewers. Over here in the home tab to new slide, and you can choose the blank one because we are choosing blank slide over here. So once you click on the slide, go to insert tab and then click on the shapes. Select any of the shape you would like to have in your presentation slide. So first we select this round diagonal corner rectangle, click on it and draw it over here on the slide. Now you can see here, once it's get activated, a format tab has been activated. Go to shape styles underneath the format tab and select any of the shape. Now second is to click on text fill. So this is the color we will be going to use as a text, and we start typing over here. Now friends, you can see here I'm going to select the whole text, and then I'm going to go for text effects, and here I can choose any of the options depending on my requirement. For the time being I'm using glow, using reflection, and then click on here, and then I go to home tab and increase the size of the text. Now I go back to format, and here in shape effects I'll be going to bevel, and here I'll be using this one. But you can see here the background is not going well. So what I will do over here is click on the slide, go to design tab, and here you will find background styles. Click any one of it which you may like. So I just like this one. Moving forward to the next step, which is how we can add more infographics which are inbuilt in the PowerPoint. Now go back to insert tab, and you can see here smart art. Once you see, a pop-up will come up as a choose smart art graphic. So I'll be choosing the process. Click on this one, and you can see here it's been added here. Now you can see here it has also asked to change the color. So if I would like to have this color, and I drag it down here. Now in the design tab itself, I'll be clicking on smart art styles filter, and then I'll be choosing which style I would like to display. I would like to change the color of this arrow, so I can choose any color over here. Then I click on the first box, and then I would like to display it as this color. That's how you can change the color. Now you would like to display special effects, so I'll be displaying this special effects by clicking on the box and going underneath the format tab and click on shape effect. Go to present, and you can choose any of the style you. This time I would like to display it as a 3D rotation. So once I clicked here, you can see here, that's how we can prepare our own infographic presentation in PowerPoint itself. I click on this box explore, then I go to animation, and here I can choose any of the options depending on my need. For instance, I'll be clicking on this split. You can see here it will display like this, and then I click on wheel. Now friends, I would like to see this single slide only, how it will display once it's been going to be disclosed in front of the viewers. So I click on preview. Once you click on it, you will see here that's how your presentation will display to the viewers as per the specific slide. Right click and go to format background. I click on solid in the fill option, then I go to color, and here I would like to display the dark color. In case it depends on my choice, if I would like to display same color on all other slides, Otherwise, you can click on close. Friends, make one more slide over here. And go to smart art. Here we'll be going to for hierarchy, and here you can choose any of the hierarchy options. Now we would like to give a 3D infographic effects. So we will go over here and we can choose any of the effects depending on our need. And then click on here. We go to format tab, and here we can select this option, and for this we can select this option. This time also I'm going to change background color, gray color. Click on close. This time I'll be clicking here and I'm giving special effects to open the slide in different manner. Now friends, click inside the hierarchy and then click on transition, and then here you can see here transition to this slide filter. You can choose any of the effects you would like to display the moment your slide get open in front of viewers. So I click on this one and I click on preview, and you can see here that's how your slide going to be open. So now friends, I'll be going to display a slideshow of these slides, and you can see here how a slide has been made and going to be displayed. So I'll be clicking on slideshow. I jump up to the second slide. That's how my slide going to be open. Friends, that's a limited efforts we have to use to prepare a presentation in less time in terms of using infographics in PowerPoint itself. I hope you like this video friends. Please like, share and subscribe Explore YouTube channel so I can make up more videos for you. Thank you for watching this video.